Hello students, today we'll be starting the chapter 2nd of chemistry, that is acids, bases and salts. First of all, we'll be discussing the general properties, then we'll be doing it in detail. So first point is acids are sour in taste and corrosive in nature. Acids are edible also and they are strong also. So some of the edible acids are present in citrus fruits that are sour in taste and they are corrosive in nature, that means they are harmful for us. For example, if the acid falls on a particular thing, it will dehydrate it. That means it will remove water from it. So it will cause burn. So second point is they give H plus ions in aqua solution. H plus ions are hydronium ions which acids give in aqua solution when they are dissolved in water. So they break down into some of the ions, and one particular ion which is present in all the acids is H plus ion. They change the color of blue litmus to red. This litmus test, you are already aware that the acids changes blue litmus to red, whereas bases changes red litmus to blue. So acids change blue litmus red. Examples are vinegar, lemon juice, etc., which are weak or natural acids. They are edible acids. HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. These are strong or mineral acids. HCl is hydrochloric acid, H2SO4 is sulfuric acid, HNO3 is nitric acid. All these are strong acids and they are also obtained from mineral sources, so they are also called mineral acids and they are inedible. These cannot be consumed. The next topic is bases. First point is bases are bitter in taste and corrosive in nature. Bases are also strong and weak and they are bitter in taste. So strong bases are also corrosive in nature, means they are also harmful. Next point is they give OH minus ions in aqua solution. OH minus ions are hydroxide ions. When bases are dissolved in water, they give OH minus ions. So all the bases have a particular property that when they are dissolved in water, they give OH minus ions. Next point is they change the color of red litmus to blue. This we have already discussed, that bases turns red litmus to blue. Examples are washing soda and baking soda. Washing soda is used in detergents as well as soaps, and baking soda is used in making cakes or pastries, or you can say in bakery, that is baking soda. These are weak, whereas strong bases are NaOH and KOH. NaOH is sodium hydroxide and KOH is potassium hydroxide. These are also having common names. NaOH is having name caustic soda and KOH is caustic potash. These both are strong bases.